One of the ways that you can become a better photographer or filmmaker is to recreate shots that you find to be cinematic. And one of those for me is water pouring into a glass cup in slow motion. So I took the challenge to recreate this. Here is my final result, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same. Coming up. Now, something I learned from doing this project is the importance of experimentation. Because the reality is, it took me an hour and a half to make that 10-second shot. And as crazy as that sounds, I learned a ton just by filming a cup and then moving the lights in this spot, moving the lights in this spot, maybe putting this to block the lights. What if I change the camera angle? Will that make it more cinematic? And as you can see from all these different clips that I have here, I did a ton of different variations and different shots, trying different things out until I got something that I liked. But let's take a look at how I created the final shot. Before you begin, make sure you don't have any natural light coming into the room. You're going to want a completely controlled environment so you can control the lights. You control what's bright and what's not. So I just have duct tape taped up against my shade, which gives me control of the situation. So here's my setup for this shot. For the background, I have this film paper being held up by Tic Tacs that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And then I have my tripod, my iPhone holder, and the glass itself. Over here, I have plugged into the wall my adjustable light. I'll also leave a link to that, but you don't necessarily need it. I just have it at basically full brightness going, so. And then on this side, I have my newer ring light, and it's basically just the background, lighting up the background white. And then on the side, I have just this drawer, plastic drawer thing, holding a whiteboard to keep the light from hitting the cup, but I want it to hit only the white background. And that's pretty much my setup. Just two lights, and then just some household items used to keep the light where I want it. Now for the shot, I did use 240 frames per second in 1080p shot on a iPhone XR. Here's what the shot looks like with no lights on. Here's what the shot looks like with just the ring light on. And here's what the shot looks like with the second light on. And when we put it all together with the slow motion and the water pouring into the glass, we get this awesome cinematic shot. That's all I got for you today. See you next time.